Hi everyone. Once again, good afternoon and good evening. Thank you all for taking the time to be part of today's session. I truly appreciate your presence and engagement here. So today I am going to discuss about how Oracle's journeys can make the benefit process simple and easy for your employees. Okay, so just a minute. Give me a minute. Somehow I'm unable to go to the next slide. Sorry, team. I need a minute because looks like my system got stuck and I'm unable to move forward with the presentation slides. So I'm trying to fix this issue.
All right, that's
Sorry for the
okay.
inconvenience.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll just take a minute. And while we're waiting,
Mhm.
just maybe keep your questions in mind that you might have later for Lakshmi. As the presentation goes along, we'll be taking those questions at the end. And we're going to be recording, so everybody will be able to see the recording as well as the slide deck that we'll be posting. It looks like you've got your issue resolved.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you all. Before getting into the today's topic, I would like to give brief introduction about our company. So our company Datavail is growing very strongly from last 17 plus years, and our company is one of Oracle partner, and we are into strategic advisor and data and compliances. We also do work for project services as well as the operational manager services. And we can see we have 100 plus consultants actively working in India, US, Canada, and Colombia. Also, we do have implementation experiences and we are into cloud experience from last 10 years. And our company is one of the featured partner in Oracle HCM now. You can see our company in the list. And also our company holds the three expertise badges, including global HR, talent management, as well as the payroll cloud. Let me walk you through the today's agenda. So I will give brief introduction about me, and then I will provide a overview of my abstract to set the context for today's call. Later, we will discuss about what are the different challenges that are faced by employee in the current system, and so this is a painful process for both employees as well as HRs. So let's try to understand these challenges in today's session. And we will discuss about what are Oracle journeys and how this strategic solution will help to address these enrollment challenges. I will show you a few key use cases with the practical examples where you will see the practical benefits of Oracle Journey solution. And then we will discuss about how Oracle Journeys enhance the employee experiences and it helps employees to solve their issues and complete their enrollment process. Later, we will discuss about the business impact after implementing the benefits Oracle Journeys. So you can see like for one of our client, we implemented the Oracle journeys. There I will discuss about how it helped our client after implementing this Oracle benefit journeys. And then I will show you getting started with the Oracle benefit journeys with the sequence of steps that we will follow while you are implementing the Oracle journey. And of course, yes, we will have a live demonstration where you can see the solution in actions, and then I will wrap up with the summary and takeaways where you can implement this solution for your clients as well as for your own organization. And finally, we will have a Q&A section where I will encourage everyone to ask any questions about what we have covered. Also, you can share your own experiences if you are come across with the similar challenges for your client. Okay. Let me give a brief introduction about me. My name is Lakshmi Avula. Currently, I am working as a principal consultant with Datavail Infotech Private Limited in Hyderabad, India. I have total 11 years of experience in Oracle HCM cloud systems. I do have implementation experiences on benefits, global HR, compensation, and talent management modules. And I have implemented benefit modules for different legislations. So this is a bit about me. Let's get into the presentation. Before start our topic, I have a exciting news for everyone. So as a complimentary, we are offering a rocket book reusable notebook gift. So please fill out the form in below link. I think our team will post this link in the chat box so that you can use this link and fill the form to grab your gift. Let me quickly set the context for our today's discussion. So we know that benefit enrollment process is most overwhelming and complex for both employees as well as the HRs. Let's take one example. New hires have been hired into the organization, and all of a sudden, they have to go through the different documents and so many benefit plans, but there is no clear guidance on the benefits. And also, there is a tight deadlines that they have to complete all these trainings as well as their benefit enrollments within a day or within a week. Okay. So because of these tight deadlines and unclear guidance for the employees, they will simply rely on the HR teams. So that here HR team has to spend lot of time to complete the employee enrollments and also to process their paperwork as well to address the employee enrollment issues. Okay, so you even like I mean, if you take us also, even we also keep forgetting complete a few of the things, right? So this is a we can see this is a human error that there is forgetting the deadlines and missing the document. But Oracle Journeys in Benefits is designed and introduced by the Oracle exactly to solve these issues in the system. With the Oracle Journeys, we can create a step-by-step guidance within the employee self-service portal so that whenever employee log in into the system, they can easily go through all the steps and they can easily understand and complete their enrollments. Since employees are completing their enrollments on time, definitely HRs and benefits work also will get reduced and they no need to spend lot of time on the same issues. Instead of that, they can spend the time on the other initiative works so that it will help for both employee as well as organization growth. So as part of this today's section, I will walk you through few practical examples how journeys will help employees to enroll into their benefit plans and update their dependent information into their benefit enrollments and also uploading the required documentations. We will also see how to enhancing employee experiences by using the journeys by enabling the automatic reminders as well as the alert notifications so that they will not miss any deadlines. Also, they will not miss uploading any documents in the system which are required for the benefits. And we can easily integrate any configurable forms so that employees they can fill those forms with the required information And even like we can include the electronic signature as well, to take the acceptance from the employees. And also we can integrate the third party systems in the journeys to send or receive the enrollment information. We will also see how to integrate or how to add the questionnaires or surveys in your journeys to collect the feedback from the employees on this entire benefit enrollment process, so that it will help the organization to fill the gaps and improve their benefits offerings. Again, I got a ish. So, okay, so okay. Now I am back. The issue got resolved. I'm able to move forward with my deck. So now let's try to understand what are the different enrollment challenges that employees facing in the current system. So as per my understanding, benefit enrollment process should be very straightforward and easy for an employee, because every employee deserves to know the what are the different benefits that are offered by the organization with the clear instructions. Then only they can make the good choice for themselves as well their family members, right? So it's basically employees right to know their organization benefits which are eligible for them. So they need the more clarity in the system, but they don't want any complex process, so that they are missing their benefit enrollments in the system. And if they miss the benefit enrollments, they have to wait till last year in case HR or benefit teams will not agree to do their enrollments. Even it is keep happens with us as well, right? That even we also sometimes forget to complete our enrollments, or to just finish the our enrollment choices, like insurance things, so that though we get the emails from the our insurance company, but we used to forget and we have to wait for till next year, till they allow to go and do any insurance plan changes apart from the default one, right? So here I have listed down a few enrollment challenges that are faced by an employee for our one of our client. So the first one is life event confusion. So if any critical moment is happened, like they got married or they are blessed with a baby, so if they are unclear with the different options that are available in the benefit system, so they cannot go ahead and they cannot make the good choice for their dependents, right? So for that, we can have the with the journeys, we can easily fix this issue. And the next one is, if we include the too many documentations and too many forms, also too many navigations to go here and where to complete the required documentations or steps before to complete their benefit enrollment process. So they feel like it's like a very complex process to complete their enrollments in the system. So in this situation, HR and benefits team, they has to involve to complete all these enrollments. So doing manual enrollments for one employee or 10 employee, that's fine. But if the organization is having like many employees, then it's going to be burden to both HR as well as the benefits team to monitor and complete the employee enrollments. And also they has to spend countless hours to address the same issue again and again, if employee is not clear with the process. And we all know that manual intervention always leads to the errors as well as the delays in the process. Also, there is a lot of scope to missing the documentations as well as the deadlines to complete their enrollments. Now let's look at what Oracle journeys are. So Oracle journeys in HCM Cloud, it gives you a step-by-step guidance to an employee, so where we can add the different tasks in the sequence within their employee self-service portal, so that they can easily go to all the steps one after one and they can easily understand the process and they can complete the enrollments on time Also, they will get the confirmation of their enrollments. So to make it easy, so we can include the any documentations or videos for employee guidance so that they can go through those documents before completing their enrollments. Also, we can automate the system by sending any reminders or alert notifications to an employee so that they will not miss their deadlines and they will not miss uploading any documents into the system. Also, we can use the Oracle journeys to trigger based on the employee life events. Like example, take open enrollment. So open enrollment, it happens yearly once, and as part of the open life event, most of the employees are eligible to benefits. So they have to go to benefit enrollment pages, and they have to complete the enrollments for the rest of the year. And also we know that as part of open enrollment, every employee will get very less time. Maybe it might be only 1 week or 2 weeks to complete their enrollments. So using the journeys, though they are having the very short span of time, they can easily complete their enrollments. And we can have the questionnaire in our journeys to collect the feedback or to get the survey information from employees about the benefits that are offered by the organization, and also we can collect their health information as well. For our client, we have added the questions like whether they got the COVID vaccine or not, whether they have any long term diseases. So based on that, a few insurance companies will provide the benefits, right, based on their long term diseases, or if they have any other health issues. So we can have the such type of questions to collect the employees health information. Also we can ask them whether they are happy, or like whether they are okay with whatever the current benefit process, so that it is helping them to complete their enrollments on time. In Oracle benefits journeys, we have two main components. One is guided journey. So with the guided journey, we can provide the whatever the needful information to an employee. Like example, employee wants to add a contact in the system, like their dependent, either their partner or their child. Okay. So, but they are not clear with the navigation since they are new to the system. So by using the guided journey, we can add a tutorial where we can guide them how to navigate into the system and how can they add the contact information into their records. So in a simple term, it will give the needed information to an employee in the system. And coming to checklist, so checklist is a step-by-step workflows so that employees can easily go through the all the task in the order. It means so they have to complete all these tasks before completing the journey in the system. You can see like I have listed down a couple of actions here under both guided journey as well as the checklist. What are the different tasks that we can add under these journeys? Like example video. Sometimes we feel like watching videos it helps, or like to understand the system easily instead of going through and reading the entire document, right? So in that case, if organization having any training tutorials, we can add the videos, and user employee can easily go through that video and they can easily understand the process before completing their enrollments. And if we have any forms, or if we have any other documents that are available in other any websites like SharePoints, so we can use the external URL. There you can provide the access to your employees to that respective website, so that they can easily go to that website and access the information, and they can easily understand the process. And yes, we can integrate the questionnaire where you can collect the feedback from the employees. Also, by using the surveys, you can collect the information of their health. And also, we can include the documents maybe the company policies or any benefit related documents, and we can have the electronic signature from employees as their acceptance. Now let's look at the couple of use cases that we implemented for our client. So the first one is the benefit plan enrollment. So we have added a task, where we have included all the benefit plans that are offered by our client. So all the employees, they are easily understand the different types of plans that are provided by their organization, and also they can easily compare the plans with the premiums. So premium here it is matter, right? That's the amount is going to be deducted in the employee payroll. So it employee must know about the premiums whenever they elect any option in the system. And the next one is dependent updates. If any employee they want to add or remove their family members from their enrollments, so we can have a task. If using that task, they can easily their enroll or disenroll their contact information from the uh, benefits. And the next one is document uploads. Yes, we can have a this task in benefit journeys so that employees they can securely upload their documentations like any birth certification or marriage certification, and these documents will be available under employee document of records. So the next one is life event. So our client is requested to trigger the journeys based on the employee life changes, like either marriage or birth, whether it is a open enrollment. So we have added this scenario as well as part of our Oracle journey solution. Let's see how Oracle journeys are enhancing the employee experiences. So, as I have already mentioned, we can easily send the reminders to employees about their tasks and their deadlines and their missing any documents information. And also, we have the alert notifications as well. We can send the email notifications as well. But with the regular benefits, you cannot send the reminders regarding their benefit enrollments. And the configurable forms is most of the clients have their own forms that needs to be filled by the employee before doing their enrollments. So we can easily integrate those forms into our journeys, and we can get the electronic signature from them. And as I said, we can easily send the benefit enrollment information to the third party vendors by using the REST APIs. And of course, yes, so we can build the dashboards for both HRs and benefits team so that they can easily monitor the employee progress on their journeys. And we all know that Oracle system supports the multi languages. So employees they can easily you view and access their journeys in their preferred language. So here you can see the business impact after we implemented the journeys for our client. So you have seen the very good number of improvement in terms of the employee accuracy, and as well as we have seen a drastic decrease in the benefits tickets to HR team, and also we have conducted a survey, and we have seen a employee satisfaction, a very good response from them. So overall, after implementing the journeys, we have seen a very good improvement in terms of the utilization as well as the satisfaction and efficiency of the using the benefit enrollments. Now let's getting started with the Oracle benefit journeys. So with the Oracle benefit journeys, we can easily access their current benefit processes, as well as if there is any complex process or painful points that they are currently happening in the system, we can easily address them and we can easily fix them using the benefit journeys. Next, you can see like we can easily trigger the benefit journeys based on the employee life changes, and even we can customize the benefit journeys based on the your organization portfolio, and we can communicate and train both HR and employees regarding the process by using the documents or videos or any training tutorials. And by using the dashboard reports, HRs they can easily monitor the how much employees are using or completing their journeys, and they can follow up with the employees. Now let's go through the demo. As part of this demo, I would like to show how can we start the journey and what are all the different tasks that we can add as part of the journeys, and also we will see how to upload the documents once employee complete their enrollments. Let's log in into the one of the demo pod to look at these practical examples. Give me a minute.
While we're waiting a minute for Lakshmi to get her issue resolved, are you there? Are you back? Just wanted to call your attention to the chat where there's a link that you can enter to win a Rocketbook Core reusable notebook that Datavail is giving away. All right, looks like you're in now, Lakshmi.
Yes, Janice, I'm back. So let me quickly reset the password to the user. Okay. Sorry for the delay. Yeah, finally I'm able to log in into the application. So to access the journeys as an employee from employee self-service, so we have journeys under me. So this journeys access will come with the employee role. So we no need to add any additional roles to access the journeys. Let's go to the journeys. So here you can see I have created a couple of journeys. So the first one is the open enrollment journey. So as I said, we all know that especially in US, we do run the open enrollment once in a year. So this is a very important one for US. So we have, as part of the open enrollment, we do allow employees to go and change their enrollments for the rest of year. And the next one is new hire enrollment. So once any new hire has been hired into the organization, so we will ask them to complete their enrollments, right? So we can have these journey as part of their pre-boarding or onboarding journey. Okay, so and also there is another journey called as enroll dependents. So if any employee they wants to remove or add their dependents information whenever they have any life changes like marriage or childbirth, then we can trigger this journey based on their data changes in to that employee so that they will go ahead and complete the enrollments for their dependents. But however, we can have this enroll dependents journey with the along with the new hire journey as well, because even new hires also they will go and they will enroll their dependents, right? I'm just opening the new hire enrollment journey. Now let's look at the how the journey looks and what are the different tasks that we can add and how it help an employee to understand the system. Uh, Sorry, team, the tasks are yet to upload. I have checked all these process before our call itself, but somehow it's not showing up now. So you can see we have added a couple of tasks. Okay, the first one is review employee resources. It means like as part of this task, you can add the any documents that you would like to provide to an employee for their reference so that they can go through those documents and complete the enrollments. So you can see all the tasks are at one place, like adding their dependents or accessing the documents or accessing any video tutorials or training tutorials. And they can go ahead and they can complete the enrollments. So with the journeys, you can see we can have all the tasks at one place so that employee they no need to navigate to the different pages. They can simply access all the information at one place and complete their enrollments. I'm trying to show that flow, but somehow the tasks are not loading. I'm trying for the same so that I can show one flow, the complete one flow to the audience. Let me try in any another browser. Let's see whether it will work. Let's go to journeys and try to access the journey and let's see whether it is loading the task. Not sure, team. Looks like there is some issue with the Oracle demo pod, so it's not loading the task. So let me try to reassign it one more time. I have assigned this journey to Curtis Fetty. Here you can see the notification, right, regarding the journey. So it is saying like the Oracle journey is assigned to that employee. I'm trying to access this task from the notification since it's not loading the tasks when we try to access this from me and journeys. So here one of the tasks that we added under the journeys. So that is the employee feedback. So this is how you can add the questionnaire in the journey as a task, and the employee they can easily go through the each and every task and they can fill the questions. So let's try to fill out the information and let's see how it looks. So we just entered. So here we can have the multiple choice questions, and also there is a free text box as well. So once they have entered their responses, they can complete they can click on the done. It means like they have completed this task. Okay, now let's go to the first task. Yeah. Since we are facing the problem to access the journey all the tasks at one place, right? So I'm just showing up, even employees get these notifications once they are assigned with the journeys. So whatever the tasks that we are adding under the journey, they can even go to and access each and every task in individually. So here you can see like we can add the any of the videos here. If we have any training tutorials regarding the enrollment process, you can easily add those videos by providing the video link, so that employees they can come here and they can go through the video and then they can complete this task. And the next and main important task that is linked with the benefits. So that is how to add your contacts and how to complete your enrollments. So here you can see one of the tasks that we added is like add your family members, also complete your enrollments as part of your pre-boarding or onboarding tasks. So let's click on the go to website. If you click on the go to website, then you will land into the benefits landing page. Okay. Here employee they can go ahead and they can add the contacts. There is a verify people you would like to add, right? So employees have the access to their contacts page. By using this plus icon, they can easily add their contacts. Once they are adding their contacts, they can go ahead with the next task. That is like making the enrollments in the system. So this is how they can see the whatever the plans that are offered by the organization under this 401k plan. So you can see the 401k plan details here with the premiums and all. So they can enroll into that one. So we can set up the benefits with the automatic enrollment, or else we will allow employees as well to enter some amounts here. How much amounts that they would like to contribute. The 401k plans are like pension plans. So as part of their pension plans, so they can go ahead and they can contribute the amount which can be included in their payroll. So once they review the plans and uh, once they elect the options, they can review the enrollments and they can click on the submit. It means like once you click on the submit, means employees are successfully enrolled into their benefits. And also they can see whether the employee is just visited or they visited and submitted status as well. So now the employee submitted and their enrollments. Now let's see how to upload the documents. In case if you enroll any of your contact, like your partner or child, and system is expecting to upload any of the documents like marriage certificate or your birth certificate or any other supportable documents that needs to be uploaded by an employee, so that they will cover in the benefits from the day one. Okay, so we have added the task. And thus when you click on the task, so employee directly land in this page where we have the complete pending actions. So under this section, they can easily review the pending actions. If there are any tasks, they can upload the documents as well. So the same issue with I just tried with the other user, so that I thought I can show you all the tasks at one place instead of going and accessing the task from here. So since that is not working, so that's the reason I'm showing here. But once you implement the journeys, right, so you will see all these tasks on the same page where employees they will go one after one and complete the task easily. So I would like to show how to upload the document into the system. So let's click on that task. Once you come here, you can clearly see employee will get to know about their whatever the pending actions that they has to complete. It can be enrolling their dependents, or it can be uploading the any marriage certificate or birth certificate or any other supporting documents. Okay, so once you click on edit, here they can easily drag and drop that supporting documents into the system. And whatever the documents that they are uploading, these documents will be available under employee document of records. So I have uploaded one of the document, and now let me save this. Yeah. So we have attached the required document. Now employee can easily save that document. Okay, so if if your client requested for an approval, if any employee upload the documents, you can see the pending approvals as well. So with the journeys, HR team they can easily monitor these approvals, and once they approve the document, from that day onwards, employee will cover into the benefits. So this is how employees they can complete their enrollments. I think you can see like we got the tasks are loaded now. Okay, so here this is how it looks. So if any employee they start the journey, so they can see all the tasks at one place. So the first one is document. They can easily download this document, or they can preview this document, and then they can easily understand the benefits which are offered by their organization. As I said, we can include the any videos here, so that they can easily watch these videos and understand the current process. And the next one is I have already showed with the task. So if you click on this go to website link, it will take you to the benefit page where you can add your contacts as well as the complete your enrollments. So whatever the enrollments or whatever the data changes that we are doing via journeys, right? So you know employee no need to again redo the same thing from the benefits pages. So this data will get automatically sent to the benefits module. And same thing, I have showed you how these pending actions will work and how can employee upload their documents into this system. And the next one is employment summary. So once employee done with their enrollments, benefit enrollments, if they would like to take any printout, okay, so they can come here and they can simply click on the printout and it will open up a PDF document so that employees can keep this PDF document with them. And the employee feedback, as I said, we can have the questionnaire, we can collect all this feedback, and based on this, it is works like a pulse survey. So we can, with this pulse survey, we can use these feedback for the next year enrollment changes. If organization wants to change their benefits based on the employee feedback, this pulse surveys will help. And the next one is employee signature. So we can have their DocuSign here. So once they sign here, then it means like they are accepted whatever the tasks that they are completed. And also the main advantage with the benefit Oracle journeys are we can mark all these tasks are required. It means employees must complete these tasks uh, before marking this journey as complete. But however, with the regular benefits, you cannot mark or you cannot make anything mandatory so that employees they keep forget and also they don't do the enrollments. And also there is no scope also in the regular benefits to send the reminders as well as the alert notifications except for the open enrollment. But however, using the journeys, we can easily send the reminders as well as the notifications to an employees whenever they are hired into system or when they have any life changes. And also as part of the open life event also, we can process the open life event journey and we can assign to all the eligible employees. So this is how the Oracle Journeys looks into the system and also it works and it helps an employee to complete their enrollments along with the uploading documents. And I would like to conclude my session with these points. So the first one is simplify complexity. So we have seen Oracle Journeys, it just break down all the tasks into one place so that employees can easily access all the tasks at one place instead of going to the multiple pages. And so we can easily avoid the multiple navigations here. So they will just navigate to only one place and they can easily complete their enrollments. And the next one is automated and integrate. So as I said, we can send the reminders as well as the alert notifications to an employee regarding their deadlines as well as regarding the task that they have to complete. So because of this one, employees they can easily complete their enrollments. Also because of this one, it will reduce the lot of manual work to both HR as well as the benefits team. And we can easily engage the employees by adding the any document, any questionnaires or pulse surveys. And also we can design the journeys based on their life changes. As we discussed, if they are married, so we can trigger the only the dependents related journeys so that they can go ahead and they can easily enroll their spouse into their enrollments by seeing all the plans and the premium values. And the next one is leverage feedback. So as we discussed, we have seen we can have the pulse surveys as well as the questionnaires to collect the feedback from an employees so that organization they can work on these benefits based on the employee feedback for the upcoming year. They can improve the benefits for the employees. This is just a reminder. So as I have already informed, I think you can see that link in the chat box. So you can please go ahead and then fill this form to get this reusable notebook.
And Lakshmi, we do have a few questions and we have a
Yeah.
couple of more minutes we can.
Yes.
All right, so let me read them for you. Can we use these journeys for open enrollment?
Yes, we can use this open enrollment. Here you can see I have created one of the journey for open enrollment, right? So as part of the open enrollment, you can discuss with your user and you can add the what are the different required tasks that needs to be include in your open enrollment journey. Like example, so as I said, open enrollment happens yearly once. So before going and making any changes, employees should know about their current benefits. What are their current benefits? And with that information, they will try to analyze and understand whether they want to change their enrollments. And as I said, in journeys, we can enable the eligibilities. So in the eligibilities, we can say like all the full-time employees are eligible to the open enrollment. So with such customization of eligibilities, you can easily create it and you can trigger this open enrollment to all the eligible employees. I hope I have answered to that question.
Okay, thank you. The next one is, do we have any reporting capabilities on benefits enrollment journey status?
Yes, we can build the dashboards in the journey by using the journey subject areas. So you can easily track with how many employees are completed their journeys, how many are in progress, how many are not yet started. So HR team they can easily monitor these statuses using the dashboard reports, and they can follow up with the employees maybe by sending reminders, or they can send the email notifications to them to complete that respective task.
Okay, and then there's a question about Redwood benefits. Is this
Mhm.
included?
Yes. So I have showed you the other pages, right? So these are the Redwood pages only. So let me go back here. So you will see the Redwood page. So benefit journeys are supporting the Redwood pages as well. Okay, even Oracle Redwood pages are enhanced with a few of the changes. But however, if you include the journeys for even for your Redwood pages, you can easily send the reminders to employees. But yes, to your question, my answer is the Oracle benefit journey supports the Redwood pages as well.
Great. And then the next one is, can you have multiple links, videos, etc., within the same task?
I think no, we cannot insert the multiple links within the same task. But however, you can add the multiple tasks by inserting all these links.
Is seated reporting available to show who visited and who submitted?
Yes, we do have a few enrollment reports that are available, but we need to check till which extent that seeded reports are showing the status. But however, we have always that leverage to customize the seeded reports.
Okay, and there's another one here. With the checklist style enrollment and benefits Redwood, doesn't this make the addition of journeys redundant?
Sorry, I didn't get you, Janice. Can you please repeat the question?
Sure thing. Let me
Mm-hmm.
get back to it. With the checklist style enrollment in
Mm-hmm.
Redwood in
Mm-hmm.
benefits, does this make the addition of journeys redundant?
Uh, uh, to your question, no, because as I have mentioned, even in Redwood pages, Oracle added the similar checklist pattern. But however, it did not add all the tasks. Like you cannot add the documents there, you cannot insert the videos there, and there also they have to go to the other navigations or the other pages if they would like to report any of the life event like marriage or childbirth. And the other main difference is you cannot send the reminders for each and every life changes except the open enrollment. For open enrollment, yes, we have the seeded alerts that we can use to send the reminders. But however, for other life changes, we don't have the reminders. But if you implement the Oracle journeys, so with that we can easily send the reminders to an employee to complete their enrollments.
Thank you. Now we've got a couple of questions in the chat. Is there an
Mhm.
option for employees to compare the different plans on journeys?
Yes, we do have that option in the system. So while you are adding the task, you can add that plan comparison task that is already available in the benefits. you can link your task with that page, and employees can easily compare their benefit plan information.
And then is there a way to configure a task so that it gets assigned to the manager once the employee completes their task? And how can we configure a journey to be recurring?
In journeys, we have a option to send a notification if once the journey is completed. So in that manner, we can alert manager once the journey is completed by an employee. Okay, so and if you would like to reuse the same journey, so we can remove the expiry date or due dates, which can be set up at the journey configuration level.
And one last one, is there a
Mhm.
way to send reminders to employees about incomplete journeys?
Yes, we have seen the reminders notifications in the system, right? So once they log in into the system, they can easily see the reminders in the bell icon. So at the journey configuration level, we have that feasibility. You can enable the reminders for each and every task, and also it will ask you in the configuration whether you would like to send the reminders every day or once in a week. So we have that frequencies, different frequencies are available at journey configuration level. So we can easily enable those reminders, and we can send that reminder to an employee if they are not completed the task.
Very good. That is all the questions. Thanks for getting all those answered, and thank you so much. This concludes our webinar for today, right on time. Thanks so much, Lakshmi.
Thank you, Janice, and thanks to everyone for joining this section. Thank you all.
Thank you.